leader of Al-Qaeda, terrorists responsible for slaughter of thousands of men, women, children. It was nearly 10 years ago. The bright September day was the darkest attack in our history. The images at night are seared to our national memory. Hijacked planes, sniping clouds, timber sky, Twin Towers collapsing to the ground. Lights smoke up, heading up.
I'm living the American dream. My life is filmed on the movie screen. Louis slippers keep me fly as I daydream. Y'all like the 18, riding in that busted van. My 18, yeah, we ride different colored Jags. Mad, I could tell by your face expression. J Cash remain in first place while y'all in second. Chuck Taylor made, yeah, you know the shoes fit. Big bezel, gotta hold it with a forklift. Look at the watch, no time for them fake hoes. Rich white people be the only hands I shake though. Swag on a milli, so a nigga dressing classy. All white Ferrari help them bitches look ashy. All them hoes that fuck with me, they say I'm so nasty. With Tom Brady on, yet they still couldn't pass me. You the type to have a car but walking 60 miles. You say you do it once a week, I think it's more your lifestyle. Fuck with me, you're better off in the electric chair. My hoes I cut on the regular, like Obama's hair. All black private plane looking like a falcon with a 3-piece suit and some glasses like Malcolm. These hoes all mad, I hear them bad mouthing me. They just mad cause I see the city from my balcony. One button, it'll lift my garage doors. Tip waiters half of what I paid for the condo. I'm in the studio, energy, I'm giving 10 of it. Middle finger in the air, statement at the end of it. Married to the game now, why would she divorce me? Cause she know I got more bars than a 4G. All these hoes nosy, they waiting for my latest bar. Swear you can't see or can't touch cause it's camouflage. I'm doing like tennis show. Fresh paint job, man, I could've brought Mexico. Cameras flashing everywhere, feeling like it's prom night. All my pictures taken, yeah, they printed out in black and white. White boy status had me hanging with Vanilla Ice. Credit cards only, no cash, all I do is swipe. I got a few friends, let alone enemies. 7-hour flight had me roaming out through Italy. Bitches act like dogs, so I tell them go fetch it. Last train to Paris, yeah, you know I gotta catch it. CPR them hoes, cause right now they looking breathless. If you don't like this, then find an exit. $250,000 diamonds just be hanging from my necklace. I be in the best shit, name is on the guest list. All my cars forming, your cars is off of Craigslist. Money in the bank, so any place you could go, name it. Fur coat at a Jets game, Joe Namath. I just run the game, you steady tryna play it. AK-47, leave his brains on the pavement. Funeral arranged, dead body in a coffin. Throw away Glock, yeah, I lost it out in Boston. J Cash, awesome movie style, I should film more. Here's J Cash, name stretch across the billboards. Somebody count me down before I take off. Polo Ralph Lauren, yeah, sponsored by my black card. I keep a tie on me, so fit for business. When it's beat time, I'm at your door like Jehovah's Witness. Yeah. J Cash, Chuck Taylor made. When I'm out shining, I know you niggas see the stars on my shoes, bitch. First things first, shout out to Gemini, shout out to Wooda. Better yet, that nigga Wooda told me go ahead and shine on this bitch, so that's what the fuck I'ma do. Yeah. So I tell you, man, this mixtape crazy right here, man. I don't give a fuck what any nigga say, man. Ask about this, man. I'll go ahead and kill this motherfucking shit, man. Better yet, I kill all these songs. You disagree, you hook up with my manager, and then we sit down, talk about this nigga, then you get on this beat. Yeah, flat out, man. I'm taking this whole summer, man. J Cash, Mr. Talk of the City. Mister, you better go cop this mixtape. Mister, you better put this on your Facebook. Mister, you better put this on your YouTube. Mister, you better play this in your car. I don't give a fuck, you got a Camry, I don't care if you got a Bentley. You better play this shit, nigga. Yeah. I fucking do this shit, man. I've been writing songs since I was fucking 8, man. I'm 20 years old right now. I'm closing in on 21, nigga. That nigga Wooda told me when I'm 21, we gon' go motherfucking ham in the club. Like we ain't going ham in the club right now, man. Yeah. At the end of the day, man, you niggas look at my last mixtape. I went from Jay's World to Chuck Taylor Made. bitch.